Hey, what's up? It's Jesse with Rendell RV. Today I want to take you around this 2022 Sierra. Model number is a 391 FLRB. This is made by Forest River. We'll take a look on the outside and hop on the inside here. With the Sierras, you do get a 6-point hydraulic auto leveling. Your oversized front compartment there. Big solid steps. You get the outside refrigerator, sink, and some storage. Also, this has the big storage in the back. It's got the doors on both sides and also the rear door. And then up front, you get a slider door or a slider cargo rack. There's your outside speakers, your electric awning, and your LED lights. So this unit is a bath and a half. You do get a half bath down here in the kitchen. We'll start out up front in the living room. So you get these Thomas Paine recliners. 2 of the trifold sofas that make out the beds, all the blackout roller shades, your fireplace, your sound bar, this shade right here, and go up to see the window. Also, it has the raise up TV. This will come with a big screen TV mounted right there. Thomas Paine recliners, big double door LG refrigerator with an ice maker, freezer down below. This year they gave us the gray stone oversized oven. It's a big stainless steel sink, single bowl, your dinette set. Here's one of the extra wardrobes. Another wardrobe. One more wardrobe. Some drawers down below here. Let's look at the king size bed. This thing is prepped for a washer and dryer, which will fit it right here in this closet. You got your double sink, tons of storage. Here's the other porcelain toilet. And your shower. Okay, that was a quick look at the 391 FLRB. With this year, we got the new decals and we got the new interior colors. If you're interested, you can call us at 903-326-4080, or you can visit our website at rendelrv.com.